Okay guys, here we are. And Bang Beach, just around the corner. We just went and had a beautiful breakfast. Our hotel is literally right there. Golden Bamboo Village. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna stop and get a set in right quick. Sweet. Awesome little workout park right here, right before the beach. Get some sets in. Yeah, it is.
It's crazy.
It's probably a good one too. Think I can do it?
Yeah. Be careful on your knee, not the...
I was thinking that. Actually, you know what? It's too close.
You might be too tall for that.
Yeah, I am. Sick little workout park. Xin chào. Welcome to An Bang Beach. That's right.
Take a picture.
Wow. It's already so hot out here. Time is it? 9:30. Good morning.
Oh, go find one.
Wow, it's so nice out here.
I think this is a nicer way, honestly.
Yeah, it probably is.
Can you sit up on that corner if you want?
It's nice. This is really close to the old town. If you think about it, like you can get here 15 minutes
Oh my
by
gosh.
drive.
No matter where we stayed, we would have saw it all.
I'm down for whatever.
I wouldn't mind like these two on the end, but see that like the light blue pin? I kind of like the end one.
The light blue ones?
Yeah, like at the end there.
Soon.
We have free chairs, free umbrella here.
Really?
Yeah, because this chair is belongs to the restaurant and the bar. If you buy something cold drinks, get something to eat later, like french fries, spring roll, a bit later.
Oh.
Then you don't have to pay for the chairs.
Okay.
Then also we have a shower, changing room, toilet, and Wi-Fi strong on the beach, included with the chairs and umbrella also.
Oh, nice.
Because someone else in here, they charge an extra service.
Yeah. What if we just get a drink? Just
We
to...
have this menu in here, you can take a look. I mean, for the moment, first morning, you already had the big breakfast, right? Then lie down, take a break, take it easy. Get us some cold drinks and few snacks later.
Yeah, so if we just get one drink, then we can have the chair?
If you no, I mean drinks and snacks later, not drinks only.
Yeah.
Because anyway, he eat the same. If you don't want to,
Yesterday we only had to pay for 2 beer, and then we got the chair. We didn't have to get the food.
oh really? In where?
Yeah,
For sure, it's
right
not
here.
in this.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, right over there.
Maybe a bit far away down there.
Just this one right here.
Yeah, we just had 2 beer.
It's not like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
All good? Okay. I'm going to just set up my towel for a minute.
And I don't have a towel.
Hello, you want to drink something for free, yeah?
Just a drink?
Just drink, okay?
Oh, sweet. Yeah, let's do it. Everyone else wants food from me.
Okay. Later, you hungry, you eat. You don't hungry, you know it's okay, no problem.
No
Think,
problem.
Yeah.
Just a drink.
Just this one or this one too?
I know, this here.
Different?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
And this here, but you try 100. You don't want food?
No, we don't
I
want
mean,
food.
only drink, okay?
Okay.
Drink? Sweet. Thank
You
you.
like sun or no sun?
We'll
Put it
have...
up after.
Umbrella, it's okay?
For now, good. Or do you want it now, honey?
Open.
It's okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll open it in a bit.
Yeah, yeah. I think right now.
Later, open. You try.
Yeah, later we'll open.
Yeah, later. As soon as that sun comes, I'll go pretty much.
You want look menu now, later? Later.
Maybe later, yeah.
Yeah, it was the same place.
I know.
Didn't have to get to-
I was on the hustle too.
No, it was down there. I'm like, no, it's really this spot.
I don't mind getting a beer too, but the food's too much.
I don't know, because then it's pressure. You don't really have to get something.
Yeah, you know,
You
you're
get a
not.
drink.
From
Canada.
Canada.
Yes.
Wow. Canada very hot, very cool.
Yes, very. Right now it's starting to get cold. Yeah. Yeah. It can get hot in the summer, but not like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Canada very nice, huh? Country for you. I know Canada in TV.
Yes. Yeah.
This is a nicer
That's
country.
The same here, right? We know from TV. Yeah.
The mountains, the ocean,
I'm tired. Or I guess it's early. We went out here.
Da Nang. Really nice. This is actually the warmest ocean water that I've ever felt anywheres.
Can I have a table?
Yeah, I have that.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's really nice.
Yeah. Not trying to hustle, just trying to say, hey, drink. Sounds good to me.